central Wisconsin, western Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Sauk County in south central Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Spring Green to near Monroe Point to near Shyville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. These storms have a history of producing tree and power line damage, along with numerous measured gusts of 55 to 65 miles an hour. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include western Madison, Middleton, Waunakee, Monroe, Verona, Mount Horeb, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Darlington, Cross Plains, Belleville, New Glarus, Mazo, Maine, Shorewood Hills, Black Earth, Shellsburg, Monticello, Argyle, Blanchardville, and Apple River. Other landmarks included are the following locations: York Memorial Church and Hides Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.